How to use the stretch feature for Wix Studio for images and videos. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you step by step how to do so. Now I'm going to apply it to this site and we're basically just going to show you how to use it. So what we're going to do here is talk about the feature that is available in Wix Studio. What it does is basically you have an image and you have a section. You just place your image on that specific section or box or a container. And once you do that, you can just go in and stretch it, and it's just going to take the entire space and fill it. It's actually going to be very easy and simple to do, so let's just go and get to it. I'm just going to click on Design Site, and you pretty much just want to go to the site editor here for Wix Studio. And once this loads in, we can demonstrate what I'm exactly talking about here. Okay, so to get started, I'm going to show you for both a box and a normal section. So I have this empty section here, and you can just feel free to create your own. And then we basically just want to add an image or a video. It works the same way for both. So I'm just going to add an image. So I'm just going to go to add elements on the top, and I'm just going to go ahead and add an image like so. Let's just give it a little bit of time. There you go. So now that we have this image, we can just go ahead and start using the stretch feature, which is going to pretty much, fill the entire section with this image. And to do it, it's very simple. You just want to go ahead and click on the image itself. So just click on the image. And then once you click on this image, you will see the top menu here. We don't really need this. There are going to be other tools here to use in order to stretch the image, but the main one to make it fill the entire section is actually within the image itself. You can see on the top right corner of the image, we can see set image as background. And if you just go in and click on that, it's actually going to go ahead and take the entire section, and it's going to fill it with our image here. And this is going to work both for an entire section, as you can see with this case, or we can also go ahead and add a container, and it's also going to work the same way for that specific container. So let's just go and demonstrate that as well. So I'm just going to go ahead, add elements, and I'm just going to go and add some containers here. So this is one. And let's just keep it to one for the time being. And then obviously you can just go ahead and add your image on top of it by either, dragging and dropping like so, or clicking on add media. And then again, like I said, it's just going to have this feature which says stretch this time instead of make as a background. And if you do that, it's actually going to take the entire screen or the actual box itself. Now this is going to work again for either images or videos. It's going to be exactly the same way. And yeah, this is pretty much all you need to do. So just go ahead and drag your photo somewhere, and then you can just go ahead and click on the actual stretch feature here, and it's going to take the shape of the section or box, depending on where it is actually contained. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.